Are you looking for the best fishing carts? Fishing carts are essential for anglers who haul gear from vehicle to shoreline or pier without turning a day into a logistics challenge. The right cart reduces wear and tear on your body, keeps gear organized, and expands how far you can fish in a single trip. In this review, I tested 5 popular models across budget to premium ranges to assess frame materials.
Product number 1. Vevor Beach Fishing Cart. The Vevor model delivers a robust aluminum frame designed for rust resistance and a claimed 300-pound load capacity. It features 2 large 13-inch PU inflatable wheels intended to improve mobility on sand and uneven surfaces, and it includes 8 rod holders and a detachable structure for compact storage. Overall dimensions are 51.57 inches long by 32.28 inches wide by 34.65 inches high, with a weight around 20.7 pounds and a 34 by 14.5 by 7-inch storage footprint when disassembled. The product emphasizes portability via a detachable configuration and a built-in tool holster, which can be appealing for multi-purpose outdoor use. Pros: high load capacity, rust-resistant aluminum frame, 8 rod holders, detachable structure for storage, built-in tool holster. Cons: only 2 wheels may make handling heavy loads on very soft sand more challenging. Tubeless pneumatic tires require care to avoid flats, somewhat heavier assembly due to modular components. In real-world use, the 2 13-inch PU tires provide better flotation on beach sand than typical solid wheels. But airless or tubeless systems would be even more maintenance-free in hot, salty environments. The 8 rod holders are a standout for anglers with
Product number 2. Sea Striker BRSC Beach Sea Striker offers a galvanized steel frame with a durable powder-coated finish, designed to ride across sand and pavement with plastic wheels and a front handle for pulling. It accommodates most 54-quart coolers and includes 7 rod accessory holders. Its dimensions are 34 inches by 14.5 inches by 7 inches, with 11 inches by 4-inch wheels. And it weighs about 2 pounds in listed specs, which is likely an error relative to other carts, likely higher in reality. It is positioned as a budget-friendly, portable option intended for multi-purpose outdoor use with a simple assembly process. Pros: low price point, versatile frame for chairs, coolers, and gear, integrated rod holders, lightweight handling in initial pushes, wide wheelbase. Cons: very thin material spec, alloy steel and PVC may raise durability concerns under heavy loads. Wheel tread is plastic, not ideal in hot sun or rough terrain. Reported weight and some specs appear inconsistent with typical cart weight, which may affect perceived stability. In practice, the Sea Striker model works well for lighter loads and quick trips to the water, but may stress under heavier gear or frequent beach use. The 7 rod holders are a practical addition for anglers who run lighter setups, and the weather-resistant galvanized frame helps against corrosion.
Product number 3. Beach Fishing Cart Vesena presents a collapsible, compact storage fishing cart that folds flat for easy trunk storage and includes a 65-pound weight limit with a 2-wheel galvanized steel frame configuration. The cart weighs 29.1 pounds and uses a lightweight alloy steel frame with a 9.8-inch depth by 22.85-inch width by 22.8-inch height footprint when deployed. It emphasizes quick setup and includes installation accessories for straightforward assembly. Pros: collapsible design for tight storage, included installation accessories, galvanized steel frame for corrosion resistance, relatively affordable for a collapsible unit, compact dimensions when folded. Cons: lower weight capacity, 65 pounds, limits gear load. Smaller footprint may reduce maneuverability with larger items, and 2-wheel configuration may be less stable on uneven terrain or soft sand. For anglers with compact gear lists, this cart is ideal as a primary or secondary cart for light loads or short trips. The fold-flat design makes it a good trunk companion, and the ease of assembly is a plus for casual users. However, those carrying heavier tackle boxes, multiple chairs, and larger coolers will quickly exceed its capacity, necessitating a heavier or modular alternative. If you're prioritizing portability and easy storage over max payload, this is a solid choice. Products number 4, Gorilla Cart's Poly Outdoor Fish Cart. Gorilla Carts pairs a heavy-duty aluminum frame with a 200-pound load rating and 5 cubic feet of bed space. It features 13-inch all-terrain tires designed for mixed surfaces, a foldable bait tray, and 8 removable rod holders. The cart dimensions are listed as 51 inches D by 24.5 inches W by 24.5 inches H, with an overall weight of 28 pounds. The foldable design allows it to collapse for easier transport and storage while maintaining a relatively generous bed area for tackle and cooler items. Pros: sturdy aluminum frame, 200-pound load rating, 13-inch all-terrain tires, 8 rod holders, foldable bait tray. Cons: price is not listed in the dataset, hard to gauge value. Some users may desire higher bed capacity for large gear or multiple coolers, and assembly may require more steps due to foldable mechanisms. In real-world use, the Gorilla Carts model excels as a mid-range option with strong durability and practical fishing-specific features like 8 rod holders and a foldable bait tray. Its 200-pound rating is adequate for a full day's gear, including a cooler and chairs, while the all-terrain tires help on dunes or gravel. The foldable design is beneficial for storage and transport in smaller vehicles, though users should ensure the bed height and overall footprint.
Product number 5. Beach Fishing Cart One Choice option emphasizes large wheel diameter with 10 big PU solid balloon tires designed for sand, coupled with a large liner, 32¼ inches long by 16 inches wide and PP plate bottom. The cart uses a bicycle hitch for towing compatibility and claims a 200-pound weight capacity with a 4-wheel configuration. It weighs 32.2 pounds and ships with a heavy-duty galvanized steel frame and a 600D liner. Pros: large 10-wheel configuration for sand, included liner with PP bottom, bicycle hitch compatibility, substantial load capacity, solid construction. Cons: higher weight than some competitors, 4-wheel setup may complicate steering on soft sand without overloading, and some assembly steps may be required for hitch integration. On sandy beaches, the 10 big PU wheels noticeably reduce sink-in and improve traction, making this cart particularly appealing for long walks to the water. The double-layer liner and PP bottom provide a solid base for gear and fish, while the bicycle hitch offers flexibility for towing with bicycles or compatible bikes. However, the extra wheels and hitch add weight and can complicate storage and setup, so this model suits beachgoers who frequently traverse loose sand and need a higher payload without needing a motorized assist.